Hey everyone, welcome back to Maddie's Kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a pumpkin pie smoothie. This is the perfect fall sweet treat. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make it, stick around. I'm going to be using this 100% pure pumpkin in a can. And I'm going to be taking 3 tablespoons of that and putting that into my mixing cup. I am then going to be taking this condensed milk. Guilty pleasure. My dad would always use this in his recipes when I was younger, so it kind of stuck. This is also going to act as sugar for our smoothie. We are going to dilute that with this almond milk. The reason why I chose vanilla almond milk is so that we can limit the products and the ingredients that we're using in our smoothie. The almond flavor is going to give a more nuttier taste to the smoothie. I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. This right here is a game changer. Redmond Home sent me their hand blender and I can mix everything in my mixing cup. I don't have to use a big bowl. That's how convenient this thing is. It's so compact and it comes with 3 blending tools. So the first one is the standard blending tool, and the other 2 a whisk, so you can make whipping cream with this whisk, or you can whisk up anything like eggs or something. And it also comes with a frother. Now I've never frothed anything before, but I'm so tempted, and you are definitely going to be seeing more cameos with this hand blender. Everyone needs this in their life. So I'm just going to mix everything up, and you can see how well this thing mixes. You can also change the speed with the dial on top of the hand blender, so it's just very convenient. Be sure to check out Redmond Home's hand blender. I have a discount code for you guys down below, and just check out their website. They have a lot of good cooking utensils, like that white toaster. It's so aesthetically pleasing. I need that in my life right now, so I think I'm gonna get that next. After I'm done mixing everything, I'm just going to pour that into my little mug. I love this mug. I'm then going to be moving on to the Cool Whip. So I'm going to be using Cool Whip instead of whipped cream. I just love the thickness of Cool Whip, and I'm just going to be adding some dollops to the smoothie. And then after that, you can garnish your smoothie with some cinnamon. Do whatever you feel. And that is the pumpkin pie smoothie. I try to make it different from everybody else's by using ingredients that you can find in your pantry right now. But yeah, until my next video, I love each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.
Hey, why did it take you so long? Hey, while I was dancing